In the region, the government of St. Kitts and Nevis has announced two significant reforms to its Citizenship by Investment (CBI) program aimed at strengthening security and attracting credible investors. Prime Minister Dr. Terence Drew unveiled the measures during a roundtable engagement with the press, confirming that the program will now include a residency requirement for investors and a system for collecting biometric data from potential citizens worldwide. We are serious when we say that we will make sure that we do what we have to do to put the CBI program in good standing, Dr. Drew stated. On the international scene, Greenland is worried about US President Donald Trump's threat to take control of the island. On Thursday, top diplomats from Greenland and Denmark, based in Washington, D.C., met with the White House officials at the National Security Council. Next week in Washington, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio is set to meet with his counterparts from Greenland and Denmark. Greenland officials continue to insist in public and private that it is not for sale. The meetings come as President Trump ramps up his threats to take over the world's largest non-continental island. And those were some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.